people! Oh wow, sorry. Hi people! This is Freddy Fazbear here. And don't get out of here, I'm not the real Freddy Fazbear. I'm just a big fan, but I can't play the game right now. So, I know it's kind of gross for my friend Gabe. Here's part 2. Oh yeah, I'm playing this with the PlayStation 4 actually. More stuff. Ah, got nothing. Oh crap! I almost hit Bob's face. I want to save Bob. I don't give a crap. Oh, this is gonna work so well. I gotta throw this away. Okay, first off. Oh crap! Okay, you need any money? Yeah, okay. There's a good part of his living. What's the bad part? It's taking the drugs. I don't. Bob, let's stop this. Okay. Better not suck it. Wait, did I stab him? Probably might have to use the hammer. Or like. Well, that's good so far, but. You know what? I'm just gonna use the hammer back. It's kind of funny. I actually learned it earlier. Okay. Okay. Wait, quit! Stop. Must be bad. Don't die me, hear me! Hear me, dudes! No! I want to use the clock. Okay. This shit is stuck in my thumb. I think I can. Okay. So I'm all the way to the wait. I just lost my hammer. I'm sorry though. I'm a dick. I need you. No, wait. Oh God! Where is the? Oh crap! I'm gonna get sued. Hopefully not. I got it. Bob, don't die me. I need you to live. Okay. The hammer! Come back! I love you! Okay. 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 We almost got the hammer. Okay. No. He's losing blood! I'm sorry, but I have to do this to my life. Oh, I don't have any more tools. I don't have any more tools. Okay. I'm gonna die in this. Okay. I'm sorry, Bobby. No. Don't lose. Don't die. I got you! I missed! Bob! Are you okay? Basically, Bob is going to die. No, I changed her then. No. Come back. Hammer. Oh, I'm gonna suck at this. I got to get this out! My lose the ribs, but I'm okay with that. Okay, oh, I suck. I suck. Well, now where did the drill go? Does anyone see it? Aww. I don't want to save Bob. I don't want to brutally kill him. Oh, that's creepy. Oh wait. Okay, I gotta save him. I gotta save him. My brother might play this. I'll do the second one to go. Awesome. Awesome. Hey, I'm gonna be sued. Oh no. It's brutally murdering. I don't want to go to jail though. I like to take it. God, never a lot of blood me. Okay. Brutally killing things. Die, Bob, if I love you, but I'm not gay. It's not a bad for stuff. Okay, heart. I was in the no. Oh God. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh my! I want to give him 2 hearts. No. Close it. I'm sorry, I failed. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna go pet my dad. No, hey, I'm gonna come back. Hit me down here. The very first time. Did I hear you yet? Ah! We'll be right back after these. I just have to quit. Stop it.